Ever wondered how to turn your YouTube channel into a goldmine using artificial intelligence or AI? Well, you're in luck. Picture this: YouTube, a platform that's become a global stage for creativity and communication, a place where anyone with a camera and an idea can reach millions of people. Pretty amazing, right? But there's more to YouTube than just cat videos and DIY tutorials. It's also a bustling marketplace, a place where views can translate into valuable currency. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI. In the simplest terms, AI is a branch of computer science dedicated to creating systems that can perform tasks that would usually require human intelligence. This can include anything from understanding spoken language to recognizing patterns in data. But what does AI have to do with YouTube, you might ask? Well, quite a lot actually. You see, AI is like the secret sauce that can make your YouTube content more engaging, more personalized, and ultimately more profitable. It can help you understand your audience better, create more compelling content, and even automate some of the more tedious aspects of running a YouTube channel. Imagine being able to predict what kind of content your audience will love, or being able to tailor your videos to each viewer's individual tastes. Or what about saving hours of time by automating tasks like video editing or comment moderation? That's the power of AI. But it's not just about making your life easier. AI can also help you tap into new revenue streams and maximize your earnings from advertising and sponsorships. By making your content more targeted and engaging, AI can help you attract more views and subscribers, and that can translate into a bigger paycheck at the end of the day. So, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, AI can be a game changer for your channel. It's like having your very own team of data scientists and marketing experts all working behind the scenes to help you succeed. YouTube and AI can be a match made in heaven if you know how to play your cards right. Stay tuned to find out how. Firstly, AI can help you create killer content. Sound exciting? Let's dive in. Imagine having a buddy who's always there to help you brainstorm ideas for your next big video. Well, that's what AI can be for you. With AI-powered tools, you can generate content ideas that are trending and relevant to your audience. It's like having your own personal think tank, firing off brilliant ideas 24/7. But what about the actual creation of the content? That's where AI really shines. AI-powered video editing tools can save you a ton of time and effort. You simply feed the tool your raw footage and it can automatically edit it into a slick, professional-looking video. It can even add special effects, transitions, and music, all tailored to your specific style and audience. It's like having your own Hollywood film editor but without the Hollywood budget. And let's not forget about scripts. Writing a script can be a daunting task, especially if you're not a natural wordsmith. But with AI, you can breathe easy. AI-powered script writing tools can help you craft compelling scripts that captivate your audience. They can even suggest improvements to your existing scripts, making them more engaging and impactful. It's like having a seasoned scriptwriter in your corner, guiding you every step of the way. AI can also help you with graphic design for your thumbnails and channel art. It can automatically generate eye-catching designs that grab your viewers' attention and make them want to click on your video. It's like having a professional graphic designer on your team, working around the clock to make your channel look amazing. And the best part, all of this is done in a fraction of the time it would normally take. With AI, you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome content and engaging with your audience. With AI by your side, you can create content that is engaging, unique, and most importantly, loved by your audience. Now that you have your content, how do you make sure your audience loves it? The answer is AI. Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI for audience engagement. Imagine having a personal assistant who knows your audience better than you do. They know what your audience likes, when they like to watch, and what they're likely to watch next. That's what AI does for you. One of the ways AI helps is through automated responses. We've all seen those comment sections on YouTube videos, right? They're buzzing with activity. But as your channel grows, it can be challenging to keep up with all those comments. That's where AI comes in. With AI, you can set up automated responses to common questions or comments. This way, your audience feels heard and engaged even when you're not there in person. Next up, we have personalized video recommendations. YouTube's AI is pretty smart. It learns from what people watch and uses that information to suggest other videos they might like. So, if someone watches and enjoys one of your videos, the AI might recommend more of your content to them. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also increases the chances of them viewing more of your videos. Lastly, let's talk about AI-driven analytics. Understanding your audience is crucial to growing your channel. AI can analyze tons of data about your viewers, like their watching habits, their preferences, and more. With these insights, you can tailor your content to what your audience loves, leading to more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more success for your channel. But remember, AI is a tool. It's there to help you, but it's not going to do all the work. You still need to create great content that your audience will love. And with AI by your side, you're well on your way to doing just that. With AI, you can keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Isn't that amazing? Now comes the best part, making money. And guess what? AI can help with that too. The beauty of AI is that it can help you monetize your YouTube channel in several ways. Let's start with AI-driven ad targeting. Imagine you have a channel about cooking and you've got a video about baking cookies. AI can help by targeting ads for baking supplies or cookie dough to your viewers. It's like having a smart salesperson who knows exactly what your audience wants. This means more relevant ads, happier viewers, and yes, more ad revenue for you. But AI doesn't stop there. It also plays a role in YouTube's payment algorithm. You see, YouTube uses AI to determine how much you get paid for ads. It takes into account factors like the number of views, the number of clicks on ads, the type of content, and even the geographic location of your viewers. By understanding these factors and optimizing your content accordingly, you can boost your earnings. And the best part? AI can help you do that. Last but not least, let's talk about affiliate marketing. It's a great way to make money by promoting products or services that you love. But how do you know which products to promote? That's where AI comes in. It can analyze your viewers' behavior, their preferences, and their purchasing habits to suggest products that they would likely buy. So instead of guessing what your viewers might like, you can use AI to make informed decisions and increase your affiliate earnings. So there you have it. Whether it's helping you target the right ads, optimizing your earnings, or assisting with affiliate marketing, AI can be a game changer for monetizing your YouTube channel. It's like having a personal assistant who's always there to help you make the most money possible. When it comes to making money on YouTube, AI is your best buddy. So, are you ready to conquer YouTube with AI? Let's wrap things up. As we've journeyed through this marvel of modern technology together, we've glimpsed the power of artificial intelligence and its potential to revolutionize our YouTube experience. AI isn't merely a tool for automated tasks. It's an ally, a companion, a secret weapon in our quest to create engaging content, connect with our audience, and monetize our efforts. Let's take a moment to reflect on our exploration. We started with an introduction to YouTube and AI. We discovered that YouTube isn't just a platform for videos, it's a vibrant, bustling community where ideas spark and stories come to life. AI, on the other hand, isn't just about robots and futuristic tech, it's about harnessing the power of machine learning to make our lives easier and our stories more compelling. Moving forward, we delved into the realm of AI for content creation. With AI, we can automate tedious tasks, generate ideas, and even create content. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's there to assist us, not to take over our creative process. Next, we explored how AI can help us engage our audience. From monitoring viewer behavior to automating responses, AI can help us understand our viewers better and create a more personalized experience for them. After all, YouTube is all about connecting and engaging with our audience. Finally, we looked at how AI can help us monetize our efforts. Whether it's through targeted advertising, predictive analytics, or automated marketing strategies, AI can help us turn our passion into profit. In conclusion, the fusion of AI and YouTube opens up a world of possibilities. It's a brave new world out there, and with AI by our side, we're more equipped than ever to navigate it. It's important to remember that while AI can be a game changer, it's not a magic wand. It requires effort, patience, and a touch of creativity. Remember, with AI and YouTube, the sky's the limit, so go forth and conquer, future YouTube stars.